Hello everybody, and this is the makeup tutorial for today. It's my everyday go-to look. I really enjoy doing this makeup tutorial, and by the way, this is a voiceover that a lot of you had requested for me to do a voiceover, and that's what I'm doing. But be prepared to hear Jonathan in the background as I don't do voiceovers, and that's why I can't do like talk throughs speaking at a normal pace. But that's not the point. I'm gonna do my brows now. That's what I'm doing. Alright guys, so now I am doing my brows and I'm taking the angle brush from our POMI in Paradise collection, and I'm just structuring, just getting the desired brow shape that I want. Next, no, not next, I'm still doing my brows. What I'm using, okay, so I'm using Rich Caramel. It's actually a black opal foundation that I'm using to etch out my brows. And I'm also using a black pencil to go right at this. So I put the black pencil a while ago. That's where I put that's where I have no hairs. So where that's just skin alone. And I put the black pencil where there's skin to help my brow hairs blend up better with my skin, so it looks like eyebrows. So now I'm going in with the angle fluffy brush from the POMI in Paradise, and I'm just blending that out, going in with my spoolie, and what am I going to be spoolie and am I doing? And I am making sure that the front of my brows are ombre, right, nice and ombre. Now I am using my LA Pro Conceal, the orange one, to color correct, and I'm using my beauty blender. It's damp to blend it out. So now I'm going in with Clay 4, and this is by Iman, and I'm using my angled oh, these have names now. Wait, so these brushes are the brushes that will be that will have going now on the, I don't think it's on the website, is it? I don't think so. But these are the new brushes, and I can't remember the name of this brush. Good job, Lyric. Good job. So I'm using Clay 4, and I'm getting that all over my face. And as I said before, Clay 4 is by Iman. So now I'm using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Amand, AMAND, medium slash dark 3. I don't know, but it's in the color Amand. So I'm using it as my highlight, and as you can see, it's not that much of a difference, but what else? So I'm using my beauty blender again to blend that out. Then I'm using my Ben Nye banana powder. My Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm setting all the lighter areas on my face. I'm going to have a review. I'm going to have a review coming up. Next, I'm taking that that I just held the powder is Motives. It's by Motives, and it's their powder that's called Very Deep. And if reason I'm putting on Very Deep is because I don't know, it just looks really red to me. You know, like the powder looks really red, and Very Deep is very cool. It's very cool. So I'm putting it on to kind of get rid of some of the redness there. So that's what I'm doing right now. And again, it's by Motives, and the color is called Very. The color is called Very Deep. What else did I use? Oh, just going back over with no, I'm actually using NC50 that I just used a while ago to go over the highlighted areas where I already placed the Ben Nye banana powder. So now I am taking my Avon G305 Mocha. I used to use this powder. I'm using it to do my low light. And I'm going back again in with the Motives to do my low light. See how dark that Motives is? You see how dark it is? So the powder I used, the brush, the reason why it didn't come off that dark on me is because of the brush that I used. And the brush that I used is a fluffier brush. So it wasn't as compact. It was more loose, like a blush brush kind of, very loose bristles. So it worked to do the to use the Very Deep powder as my face powder. Alright, so I didn't mention this earlier on, but I actually used the Iman pressed powder in Earth 2 to go all over my face as well. Right now I'm using NW35, I believe it is, to go on my brow bone. And I'm going back in with, what's it called again? Very Deep by motifs. And right now I'm just putting on a black eyeliner, basically, that are hit, and I'm putting it on my lashes because, you know, sometimes powder gets on your lashes. Using the same brush I used to do my brows to clean up my eyeliner work right there. Then I'm using, oh my god, I left it. That is my It's Your Face Cosmetics bronzer. But I don't know what that's called, but it's by It's Your Face Cosmetics. You can go to itsyourfacecosmetics.com. Then I'm using my MAC Double Definition Extra Dimension Skin Finish, the lighter part, to go on the inside of my eyes. So that's what I'm doing there for the eyes. And I'm going to use the same thing for my eyes. Then I'm going on my again, going on my highlighted areas. And I tried the, you know, glow on the nose thing. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'll let you know. Those lashes are my Diva lashes that I had to pull from the site, but those are what I'm wearing. So for my blush, I'm using Nectar, and Nectar is a black opal black opal blush. So that's what I'm using, and it has a bit of a glow, as it can. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now I'm putting on my wig, and this is a wig that I made, I think it was the day before yesterday that I made this wig. No, 2 days ago I made this wig, and this hair is by Bella Pella Boutique. This is their Cambodian wavy hair, and okay, Jonathan. Alright, Jonathan. So I'm trying to fix it because I use the mesh thing to sew it on that has the adjustable strap, and I'm not used to it. I'm used to the dome cap. I'm very much used to the dome cap. But yes, that's the natural curls for the hair. Didn't do anything to it at all. There's nothing in the hair whatsoever. And my lips, I have to take from Jonathan, and I'm gonna start crying. Hold on. I'm using Sweet Revenge here, and it's a LA Girl matte lipstick, Sweet Revenge, and the lip liner is as well by LA Girl. And it's by LA Colors, sorry, and it's called Smooth Plum. LA Colors Smooth Plum. And I'm going back in with Sweet Revenge lipstick. And I think I used this a gloss. I think, did I put a gloss on? No. Oh, I'm going back in with the blush. I think I used this gloss though. I really do. Anyway, I used a nudie gloss because I'm almost sure I used a nudie gloss for the pictures. So I used a nudie gloss. Oh, there we go. It's a nudie gloss. I don't know. It's called Puff Piece. And that is it. So this is the final look. Absolutely flawless. Love. This look took me 27 minutes. This thing is said, of course, it's like 8 seconds. I mean 8 minutes long. But it took me 20-something seconds, 20-something minutes, and it would have been faster. But you know, you guys, I have Jonathan and stuff like that. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you want to see more voiceovers, just, you know, let me know in the description bar below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 500,000 subscribers for this year 2015. Comment in the description bar what you'd like to see. Click a like, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to have your post notifications turned on to be a part of the first set of people who get the notification of when my video comes up. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. You better work, Lyric, with that slow-mo. Bye guys. Jonathan, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So they come in this bag here, and I'll try my best to find, excuse me, the actual picture of the stuff that I bought, so you can see, and stuff that can fit me and stuff that can't. So this, if you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, you'd have seen that I bought a blue one to this, and I'll probably insert a picture here, but this is the green one to it, and I'm